Hello, in this video I want to show you all available gestures and shortcuts in Xiaomi Redmi Note 12 Pro. And to do this, let's open our settings, then scroll all the way down and find additional settings, then enter gesture shortcuts. Now let's check how they work. First one is launch Google Assistant, and here you will need to enable it, then hold the power key for half a second to call out Google Assistant. As you can see, this works fine. Next one is take a screenshot. There's two options here. You can slide 3 fingers down to make a screenshot or use combination of volume down and a power key. Let's try both of the options. This one works fine, and volume down and a power key also works great. Now, partial screenshot is the next option. If you enable it and hold your 3 fingers onto the screen, you'll be able to take a partial screenshot. Next is launch camera, and there's 2 options as well. So you can double press the power button to quickly open camera, or double press volume down when the screen is locked. Now let's try it out. As you can see, it works fine here, and this one also works great. Next is turn on torch, and if you enable it, you will need to replace the camera function for it, and you need to double press the power button to enable a flashlight. And as you can see, this works great. Last feature is Fingerprint Double Tap to open one of these functions. In this case, let's take a screenshot with that. So we just need to double tap the power key. Don't press it, just double tap, and the function should work fine. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.